there now follows a recommendation video, and it's for this stuff. Pro-Ject Vinyl Clean Record and Stylus Cleaner. Retails in the UK for £11, which is about $16 I believe, although hopefully you can get it cheaper over there. What is it? Well, I'll show you. It's, have a listen to this. Oh, that sounds lovely. It's a ball of green glop. Smells a bit alcohol-like. And what you do, plop on your record, and you don't rub it, you roll it. Like so. And what it aims to do, and I believe succeeds, is pick out all that dust and dirt that may be lurking deep in those grooves. Very stubborn. Because I've tried many methods of cleaning records. The microfiber cloth, the carbon fibre brush, and the velvet brush, all with different levels of success. Right, once you've done that, get the pots and back in. Couldn't resist. Now it does seem to leave a slight film on the record, so I'll just take the old velvet brush and give it a once over with that. There you go. Now this is a 1969 LP, by the way, so when I first got it, it was, whenever I played it, it sounded like I was frying sausages, but let's take a listen to it now. Ooh. Hear that? Barely anything there. No bacon, no sausages, just music. But not play too much of that because of the old copyright bots. I know how much they love us, and don't we love them? But clean, clean, clean. And let's show you, I haven't done the other side yet, so let's do that together, shall we? Again, as it comes. Probably can't see it, but there's flecks of dust there, and apparently you can rinse it under a cold water tap to restore it to its former glory. Well, that's true, I don't know, I haven't tried it yet, but certainly picks the dust out of the grooves. Nothing shall escape. But according to the instructions, they say you should replace it after 8 months. Well, 8 months after first use. Oh dear, that's a bit worrying, isn't it? Just roll it, roll it, roll it. There you go. One big jelly bean. And that's done. In the pots. Lid back on. Yeah, it does seem to smell a bit alcohol-like, but some people will probably like that. Forgive the frog in my throat. Could tell a Charles Aznavour joke, but no, it'd be in poor taste. Right, there you go. Side A has now been degunked. And this is also good for cleaning the stylus. Bit unwieldy, but let's show you how that's supposed to be done. Just, you see this? Yes, you can. Just literally drop the stylus on it. and lift. And apparently that's pulled all the dust off and gunk off the stylus. And we shall not doubt that. Right, here we go. Side B, actually. No, sorry, side A. Track 2, if you don't mind. Sorry. Shaky hands. Thank God I got this. Ooh, there's the end of track 1. Silent as anything.
The preacher talked with me and he smiled.
Said, don't play too much of that. Will it work with this? Now, let's have a listen to this. This is a favourite of mine, shall we say. Anyone remember the Family Dog? Oh, sausages and bacon.
Cowboys playing, young men slaying.
Yes, well, leaves rather a lot to be desired, so let's have a go at this. I'm going to stop making a mess of the plaster, so let's just lift it up and splash it all over. You can tell this is my first video, can't you? Not used to this. But, you know, other people are doing it, so why not me? Right. And if this doesn't cure all those clicks and pops we heard there, then I guess we put it down to scratches rather than dust. There we go, that's on there. It's that one we want. Right, moment of truth. And let it drop. Oh, well, that's a disappointment.
Cowboys playing, young men slaying, old men praying.
No, something tells me that's unrepairable, beyond repair, scratched, right. You're just going to have to deal with it. No magic glop is going to clean this one. But, you know, I live in hope. There was this other vinyl cleaning product out there, and as you probably know, there are people out there who clean their records with wood glue. You know, they drizzle the old wood glue on the record and let that dry for about 12 hours, peel it off, which is the fun part, and then that lifts everything out of the... Well, someone's launched a gel version of that. I don't know which company this is, but I guess it kind of looks like this stuff, and you just drizzle it on and let it dry and peel, and hey presto. Right, here goes, last time. Nope, those be scratches, I'm afraid. No, you can't do them all. You can't win them all. Well, there you go. Despite that, you know, disaster at the end there, I can actually recommend this stuff. As I said, it's about 11 quid over here in Britain land. Storage conditions, keep away from direct sunlight, blah blah blah. Contains ethanol, yeah, that's why. So, yep. Thanks for watching.